Okay, going to show you the install of the Bronco Pinch Weld Cover. Comes in 3 pieces right here. The piece has the longest edge on it, that goes in the front. This one with the angled piece, that goes towards the back. This piece here goes where these 2 bolts are, these 2 10mm bolts, and it will bolt in with 2 spacers and these 2 black bolts. You'll remove these bolts. They'll be possibly a little tricky. They're actually put on and then painted in place. So you have to, it's a little tough to get your 10mm on, but you can get it on there. We've pre-put our stick pads in between the bolt holes in each spot so that you can get it up there and it'll hold itself in place until you can get either bolts if you don't have side steps or rock sliders, or if you're going to put your steps or sliders back on, then it'll hold it in place so that you can get everything mounted up. So we'll go ahead and get these taken off, and then we'll move to the next step. And you want to make sure that it is flat. If you have any little bit of a bend to it, just bend it to where it's bending towards the car, not away from it. And it's going to be bolted in, so it's going to be nice and tight anyway. And then in future kits, this is the prototype. We might, if we experience any vibration, we'll probably add some pads in the middle and towards the back there. Okay, for both of the pieces, whenever you're putting them in, just try to line the bottom edge, with the bottom edge of the pinch weld. And then for the back, with the angle piece here, you just slide it behind that there. And get these center pieces lined up together. Make sure your bottom's good, that they're nice and tight together. Everything straight, and just push it in place to hold it. And now we're ready for the front piece. So now we're going to get these 10mm fender bolts off. We've already taken them off, so that's why the paint isn't sticking, but sometimes this might stick a little bit, so you can just get it off of there. Okay, so then you're going to use these number 6 bolts, put them in the holes, and then the 2 spacers, get them behind. So the spacers will be, in between the piece and the vehicle, and then just line them up. Start hand screwing them in there, and just use a 4mm Allen wrench or hex bit and get them screwed all the way in. And you can make sure that, because you can move it a little bit, make sure that it lines up, covering up the ugly square here, the square tubing, and it all looks good with the rest of your pieces.